Are you looking for an easy way to cut and personalize sale tags? Well, you're in luck because we've got you covered. In this video, we will show you how to cut personalized sale tags with Label Maker F35. Make your design and print it with Oki Pro 9542. After printing, stack up the printed sheets on the fitting tray. With Label Maker F35, you can load up to 200 sheets. It is an automatic sheet fitting and cutting system designed to automatically load and cut without the need of an operator. This innovative desktop cutter supports a variety of thickness and sheet sizes such as A4, A3, letter, and tabloid. It also has the ability to do perforation cuts, kiss cuts, die cut, and media creasing. After cutting, the output will be dispensed onto the catch tray. You can cut any size or any shapes of your sale tags. Create unlimited label sheets, small boxes, and tags with Label Maker F35. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.